Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-OME-SW21-TX. The OME-SW21-TX is an HDBaseT transmitter with USB-C and HDMI inputs. It features an integrated USB hub and host switching, along with a mirrored HDMI output. The OME-SW21-TX will be ideal for small meeting rooms as well as larger environments. It works with an Omega receiver or switcher. Here is a visual summary of the key features for the OME-SW21-TX. Integrated USB hub and host switching with support for USB 3.2 Gen 1 and USB 2.0. Display control through IP, RS-232, or CEC. Velocity Device Manager and Web GUI for setup and management. Extend 4K, power, USB 2.0, control, and Ethernet up to 100 meters. Selectable 4K to 1080p downscaling for the HDMI output. 4K 60, 444, and HDR for local I/O ports. Automatic input selection and display powering. USB-C port for AV input, USB data, and optional device powering. Front panel system information and status display. The OME-SW21-TX will be compatible with select Omega receivers and switchers. Most notably, this product will work with the OME-MS42 HDBT and OME-CS31SA HDBT for remote AV switching and USB integration. This product will also integrate with the OCS900N occupancy sensor for automating system operation. The OME-SW21-TX is ideal for commercial and education applications, both small and large. We'll go more into applications in the following slides. In a small meeting room, this product can be installed below a meeting table. USB-C, HDMI, and USB data connections would be provided for BYOD presenters. The OME-EXRX receiver completes the point-to-point extension from table to display. The OME-SW21-TX is also great for a classroom system. For this setup, the internal USB 3.2 Gen 1 hub is interfaced with the USB EX350 kit. This is to extend 4K video from the camera, so it can be captured by the laptop or room PC. At the same time, there are USB 2.0 communications and extension for the interactive display. In a classroom, the mirrored HDMI output can be useful for a confidence monitor on a desk or lectern. Here is another classroom system with the OME-CS31SA HDBT, specially designed for education applications. The OME-SW21-TX is installed in a desk or lectern to provide AV access for the instructor. It serves as a localized switcher with HDBaseT connectivity over to the CS31SA HDBT. That unit is situated behind the interactive touch display and provides its own AV switching along with several audio functions. Optional add-ons to the system would include a confidence monitor and a camera. For more information on the AT-OME-SW21-TX, you can find it at Atlona.com.